patchy dense fog after midnight. Some thunderstorms may bring...
Go time.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County in northern New York, northeastern Franklin County in northern New York, southwestern Grand Isle County in northwestern Vermont until 3:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Burke, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Plattsburgh International Airport, Peru, Dannemora, Chateauguay, Burke, Jericho, Merrill, Peasleyville, Leon Mountain, Ellenburg Depot, Clayburg, Churubusco, Schuyler Falls, Saranac, Russia, Ellenburg, Constable, Blackbrook, Earlville, and North Burke. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.